Hey everyone, welcome. This is Hilton's Computer Repair. Today I'll be showing you how you can install Avira antivirus protection. It's basically going to be the free version. You may be prompted for a few little steps, but it should be pretty smooth to get this through. So let's go ahead and get started. So your first thing to do is go ahead and open up a browser. I'm going to go ahead and open up Firefox, usually a browser that I use most. And on the top, let's go ahead and open up google.com. I don't really like to do other search browsers. I don't kind of just use this one my most. And from there, we're going to type in Avira antivirus, and I'm going to type in free. And it seems that it gave this to a site. As you know, it kind of has a different color because I've actually downloaded it before. Go ahead and select that one, and it should take you to their website for the free version. And here's the selection where it says free download. Go ahead and select it. You have two different choices. You can download just the free antivirus protection, or you can download the free security suite that comes with additional features like here for VPN, speed up, and other stuff. To me, it kind of seems just extra accessories that I wouldn't need. So I'm just going to choose and download the antivirus only. And it could take a few seconds for that to come up, so let's go ahead and give it some time. Once it gets there, you can save that file for it to start downloading. If not, you have the option to click here to start again if it hasn't got there. And once you have that file downloaded, go ahead and run that file. Go ahead and minimize that while this application comes up. And here's free antivirus is telling us right now. Let's go ahead and press accept and install. And it tells you Avira is currently preparing the installation. Let us do it self-work. And here it is prompting that will allow us for the app to make changes on this device. Well, you're going to have to press yes if you want Avira to be installed. Let's go ahead and press yes. Let it do its own work real quick. And look right here, it tells you the preparing installation is being in process. Avira is already here on the left side, so let's continue doing its rest of the installation. Seems Avira is basically have already been installed. Let's see if it's gonna come up. And here it has it. And it tells you a list of applications can be installed. Tells you about the device. And you can register for free for all of your products managed. I'm gonna go ahead and press close. And let it do itself work. Right now it's actually installed the software part for the layout, and now it's actually downloading the additional feature right here for the free antivirus software. Let's continue to do its work. And it's just finishing up the last few things, what it seems like for downloading. Let's see if it'll go through and finish the installation now. And here we have it. It is basically finished up the last little bit. Tells you installing Internet on your computer, but it seems it's basically done now. Let's go ahead and open up the file. And here we have it. It tells it's actually completed. And here you go. You have a list right here for the latest status. It's telling us that it's secure. Yeah, PC protection, the internet protection, real time, firewall, and everything looks basically correct. There's other features here. You can go to quarantine, scheduler, reports, stuff like that. Firewall, real time. But that's another story on this video. But that's basically it. You can now accept this file. And that should be good. Thank you for watching from Helton's Computer Repair. Don't forget to subscribe and to check us out on other different social networks that we have in our list. Thanks for watching.